Hi everyone, welcome back to my Generative AI learning series. I am Punyakirti Bayal. In this video, we will explore how large language models like ChatGPT are trained. Think of this as a behind the scenes look at how these AI systems go from raw text to something that can talk to us intelligently. What does training an LLM mean? Training an LLM is like teaching a child to complete sentences. Imagine saying the cat sat on the dash and waiting for the child to reply mat. The model learns this same way, predicting the next word. But instead of child learning with a few books, the model practices billions of times until it gets really good at it. Training data. LLMs need a huge library of knowledge to learn from books, articles, website, even code. But before training, the text is chopped into smaller pieces called tokens. Like Lego blocks, for example, the word playing might be split into two tokens, play and ing. The model then learns patterns from these Lego like pieces across trillions of examples. Next, training process. The training loop works like this: text is turned into tokens, then tokens into numbers, and numbers flow through the transformer. What is this transformer? The brain of the model. The model makes a guess for the next word. If it's wrong, it gets a little nudge to correct itself. Think of it like practicing piano. Every wrong note helps you improve. The model does this billions of times until it's very accurate. Scale of training. Now, here's where it gets mind blowing. Training is like trying to teach the world's biggest student, one with hundreds of billions of brain cells. To train it, you need thousands of powerful computers running for weeks or months. Imagine the world's largest group study session, but instead of students, it's GPUs working day and night. So, finally, we can summarize. So, in short, training an LLM is like teaching it to guess the next word in a sentence. It learns this from massive amounts of text, broken into tokens, adjusting billions of connections in its brain using enormous computing power. That's how it goes from a raw data to something that feels like it understands language. Thanks for watching. I am Punyakirti. In the next video, we will explore tokens and tokenization, the Lego blocks of language that make all this possible. Thank you.